Hello and welcome to KK's Data Science Interview Prep channel. Today we are going to discuss lead code question number 692, top K frequent words. In this question, we are given a non-empty list of words and we need to return top K most frequent elements. Like in this example, K is given as 2. Also, there is one more condition where our answer should be sorted by the frequency from highest to lowest, and if two words have the same frequency, then the word with the lower alphabetical orders come first. So let's see in this example. Here the words I and love have the same frequency of 2. So in answer output we need to return I first and the love as a second element. So the main idea to solve this question is to create a frequency dict and sort the dict in a particular way to achieve the answer. So in this question we are given a list of words and K value is 2. Suppose we create a frequency dict scene that would look something like I, how many values I have? I is repeated 2 times. Love is also repeated 2 times. Lead code occurs only 1 time. Coding also occurs only 1 time. So this is the frequency dict we have created, where we have basically added the frequency of each word. Now after creating this dict, we need to sort this dict in such a way that we return top K most frequent elements. In this case these are 2, and the word with the lower alphabetical order comes first, that is I and love. So this we need to return. To do this, I will show you how you can code in Python. So to solve this question, first let's create or declare a dictionary scene, and then let's create a frequency dict by traversing the words list. For word in words, if word in scene, that is if a particular word is already present in the dictionary, then let's increment the count by 1, else let's declare or initialize count to 1 in case this word comes for the first time. Now we need to return the keys of the frequency dict scene in such a way here we are returning the keys and we are sorting these keys in such a way that first we will sort these keys based upon the count of the words in the dict or the dict values. Secondly, we will sort it by actual word order. Then we will return the top K most words. Now let me show you the code on the lead code as well. So this is the code on the lead code, where we first create a frequency dict and then sort the frequency dict keys in such a way that we return the top K most frequent elements, and whenever if two words have the same frequency, then the word with the lower alphabetical orders comes first. So let me show you by running this code. Hence, you can see the output is I and love. Thank you.